Let's learn about clause starters. In order to remember our clause starters, we have another acronym here, www.asia.b. When, while, where, as, since, if, although, because. These words will usually begin a clause, a dependent clause. Now, a dependent clause depends on the main clause. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense. Let's look at these sentences here. We went to the store when it wasn't raining. We went to the store is the main clause. Why? Because it can go all on its own. It can have a period right here and it would make complete sense. We went to the store. When it wasn't raining is our dependent clause. The reason it's a dependent clause is that it depends on the main clause to make sense. When it wasn't raining. When we will mark with the CL to show that it is a clause. If you see my dog while I am gone, please catch him. If you see my dog and please catch him are main clauses. While I am gone is a dependent clause, and while is our clause starter because it starts the clause. If you could grade my paper as you are able, I would be grateful. If you could grade my paper and I would be grateful are both main clauses. As you are able is our dependent clause because it makes no sense without these two sentences. Since you've been gone, many things have happened. Where's our dependent clause here? Well, let's say them separately to see which one can be on its own. Since you've been gone, does that make sense? Does that tell us the complete thought? No. Many things have happened. Does. This is our main clause, and since you've been gone is our dependent clause. Since is our clause starter. Because I like cows, I have 20 photos of them on my walls. I have 20 photos of them on my walls is a complete thought, but because I like cows isn't, so it is dependent on this section in order to make sense.